This 2018 Tiffin Wayfarer 24TW is a Class C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Truffle, Sandstone, Windsong interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2018 Tiffin Wayfarer 24TW is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.